Hi guys, good morning. Happy Monday. Hope you all had a really good weekend. And I hope you are ready to get some things done today. In class, you're going to be working on FRQ number 4, argumentative essay. And there's a lot of things you just need to understand about those things. So I've given you a bunch of good stuff. This is on Classroom, FRQ number 4. You need to begin with reading about FRQ number 4. Get out your green sheets. Use that, okay? Have that information. You guys have that checklist. You have those things about FRQ number 4. Okay. The question will include a prompt, and you will take a stand about something. You're going to create an argument, okay? And you are going to use a foundational document. They're going to give you one, and you're going to support your claim using the document they want you to, one of the required ones. And then you're probably going to use another document. You won't have to use one that's written. You can use a different one, but two documents, one that they've given you and then one that you have to come up with on your own. It can be another like required document. That's fine. And then you're going to do like an opposition to the argument and a rubric. Here, this is what a good response should look like, okay? Articulate a defensible claim or thesis, okay? Get to it, point, no fluff. A thesis that responds to the question and establishes a line of reasoning. Describe one piece of evidence that is accurately tied to the topic of the question. One piece of specific and relevant evidence to support the argument. Use two pieces of specific and relevant evidence to support the argument. So one piece that's required and basically another piece that you pull out of your wheelhouse, okay? And then explain how or why the evidence supports the claim or evidence, and then respond to the opposing or alternate view, so a refutation type of thing. Okay, this FRQ is worth a total of 6 points. All right, if you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay. The sub is going to pass this out to each of you. Okay, this packet here, the top page, if you don't have one, maybe grab it now. The top page is going to be an example of a question, okay? And then what you have here are responses that students have written and a score. So you will read their response, and then the next page gives you why they got the score that they did. Okay, and I've given you two examples. One of the scores was a 6, so a really great essay, and then another one, the score was a 2. And it gives you an explanation as to why they got those scores. So you and a partner read over these, discuss that, and understand it, why they got the scores that they got, okay? You then, here is your FRQ prompt. It is different than this packet, okay? This is your prompt. These, you got to use two pieces of evidence, excuse me. One of them has to be this. The other one can be something else, okay? This is your prompt. Before you start writing, you are going to fill this out. Okay, using that prompt, that blue box above, you're going to fill out each of these boxes. Okay, follow the directions, you will be just fine. If you want to work with somebody, you can do so. Here's a rubric. Okay, this is how you get 6 points. Once you get that filled out, you will write the paper. Okay, get out a notebook, sheet of paper, and write it. It is due for Tuesday. You probably won't get your writing done in class, okay? Also try and keep it to 40 minutes. That's about how long they suggest you take on writing your FRQ, the argumentative one, on the exam, okay? So, this is due tomorrow. You might have some homework, okay? That's fine. Get this filled out. I promise you, if you can do this, you can write the essay. Work together, okay? So I will be grading these, okay? I will grade them, and it'll be hopefully good practice for you. Hopefully over the weekend I got your guys' FRQs graded, or at least some of them. I don't know. It's not the weekend yet, so we'll see. Okay, be good for your sub. You'll be fine. Use this as a guideline. Read through this, and then get your charts filled out. You're going to be just fine. I've got all the faith in the world in you. Have those done for tomorrow. Okay, have a good day. Bye.